welcome to India Mart Leaders of Tomorrow, only on ET Now. It's the series that puts the spotlight on India's most promising small and medium enterprises. On the show this week, we're exploring a sector that's driven by growing access, awareness and insurance penetration. The Indian healthcare sector is expected to be worth over $125 billion by 2016, capitalizing on the demand-supply gap and affordable medical tourism. So let's begin today's journey with a chain of hospitals from New Delhi that's aiming to impact many lives through its one-of-a-kind delivery mechanism. Rockland Hospitals was set up in Delhi in 2004 to address the largely unorganized nature of the healthcare space. Founded by Rajesh Srivastav, today it's a professionally run organization with industry experts at the top rungs working on a unique model of delivery for patient care even in the remotest locations.
ये हॉस्पिटल जो हमने बनाए हैं वो हॉस्पिटल एक नेटवर्क क्रिएट करने के लिए बनाए हैं। ये सारे टर्शरी केयर हॉस्पिटल है। इसके बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप स्टार्ट होगा जहां पर हम पेशेंट तक पहुंचेंगे। इसके लिए हमने एक हेल्थ केयर डिलीवरी मैकेनिज्म बनाया है और लगभग हम हर क्लास के लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं और विलेज लेवल तक भी हम 400 डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्लान कर रहे हैं, जिसकी स्टार्टिंग हमने टर्शियरी केयर हॉस्पिटल से करी।
See, right from the beginning, Rockland was very clear that the healthcare sector needs to be organized. This is perhaps one of the rare sectors where there is a huge demand, but the supply side is lacking. So right from the beginning, we were very clear that we will have to work out a delivery mechanism to reach out to the patients, especially in the remote areas.
Beginning from building a capital-heavy network of tertiary care hospitals, today Rockland aims to have a trickle-down effect by connecting to small hospitals, clinics and health volunteers through a technology interface. An asset-light model aims to provide patients the best possible care by offering them access to their in-house medical experts.
We would like to try to go as close to the patient as possible, and help them control the disease rather than getting those patients to us wherein they come with a full-blown disease where the treatment is costlier. And if we can get the patients to us at an early stage, even the outcomes and the mortality of the disease would be very, very less.
You see, the biggest challenge in this sector is right diagnosis. If the patient is diagnosed correctly, then correct treatment can happen. So in Manesar area, we are already connected with the 110 villages in Manesar. We have connected with a large number of doctors in their clinics, about 200 clinics, and we have set up our own 3 outreach centers. And from these centers, we are transferring images to Manesar Tertiary Care Facility, and we are able to help them diagnose the patient correctly.
Offering the entire host of specialized services in healthcare, Rockland has established a network of 4 hospitals across Delhi, including a sprawling unit at Manesar. With a gold rating from LEED, the building is designed to promote wellness with an abundance of fresh air and natural lighting.
Rockland Manesar building where we are sitting right now is a gold rated building. If you see the air inside, it is as good as specified by WHO. Not a drop of water is wasted in this building. Everything is recycled. So it's a very environment friendly building, and you would have noticed that there is natural light in every corner.
Are you looking to attract international patients as well?
Most of these patients are coming from Africa, less developed countries from Africa, Middle East. These are the 2 pockets where maximum patients are coming from. The situation there is very much like what we have in the smaller towns in India. We are organizing regular OPDs there. Almost every week, one team or the other team of the doctors is flying there. We have signed up with local hospitals there, local clinics there, and local facilitators, and with the governments also.
In the next couple of years, what's your vision for Rockland Hospitals?
Our vision is to cover the entire North and Northeast India up to village levels, which would mean going up to 400 districts up to village levels through a technology telecom interface and through partnerships with the clinics, smaller nursing homes, small hospitals, medical equipment companies, telecom and IT companies. This is how it is going to happen.
Rockland Hospitals has rapidly built up capacity from only 80 operational beds last year to over 800 beds today. The team at Rockland is coming up with another 500-bed facility in Noida to cater to advanced training needs of doctors and nurses. expecting a 140 crore rupee turnover this year, Rockland hopes not only to stay ahead in the numbers game, but also to offer all-inclusive, high-quality healthcare services across the country. So that was the inspiring journey of Rockland Hospitals from New Delhi.